All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the filter menu keyboard shortcuts. So let's head over to Photoshop. If you're not already there, open up Untitled 6 for me. So I'm going to hit Control S to save this because I've been using this for a couple videos now. And we're going to learn about filter. Okay, so if you ran a filter, so like liquefy, I just clicked on this and there's not really anything we can do with this per se. So let's hit Control O. We really need an image. And grab our image. And what I'm going to do is now I can give it kind of a filter gallery. Or click on the filter gallery and just give it an effect. Okay. Now what you can do is if you hit Alt Control F, it's going to do the last filter. Okay. We can also do different filters. So if I do Alt Shift Control A, it's supposed to do an adaptive wide angle. Okay, there we go. So that did work, sort of. Okay, so I'll hit OK. Then we can do camera raw filter. So if I do Shift Control A, okay, click Get Started, then I can, mess around with this and just kind of play with the levers here. Hit OK. All right, then I can do lens correction. So if I do Shift Control R, we can do lens correction. So I'll hit OK. We can liquefy. So Shift Control X will liquefy. So if I just do this, can kind of go wild. And then vanishing point. So if I do Alt Control V, okay, are you sure you want to convert colors? Yes. Okay. There you go. And I'll hit OK. Okay. Now, that's how you use the keyboard shortcuts for filter. So that's just these right here. All right. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.